and I'm an MSD student. 4th of July is coming up, and that means fireworks. We love fireworks too, and we would love to celebrate with you, but we just want to make it aware that it is going to be very difficult this year for a lot of the Eagles to hear the fireworks, because it takes us back to a time where we heard a loud bang, and it's going to be very, very difficult for us. So we're just trying to make you aware so that maybe you can do other things to celebrate, or maybe even just buy quieter fireworks.
We aren't trying to take away the patriotism and celebration of 4th of July. We just want to make it easier for our Eagles who are still suffering from the aftermath effects of February 14th.
Hi, I'm Haley and I'm an incoming freshman at MSD. If you are feeling personally worried about the fireworks, there are many different ways you can cope with it. For example, patting your legs to release the adrenaline, listening to loud music, meditating, calming exercises, and being at places you're safe, or staying away from the fireworks as most as you can.
Hi, I'm Ava and I'm an incoming freshman at Stoneman Douglas. This 4th of July, instead of using fireworks, be open to the option of using sparklers, barbecuing, baking, going to the beach with your friends and family, or even going to see a movie.
I love our community because it's very strong and very powerful thing to live in, and then this is my home. Thank you, Parkland.
Happy 4th of July!